Introducing the new XL Series pliers, featuring the new flush fastener. The flush fastener provides better access with increased user adjustability, allows tools to lay flat on a surface, and can easily be adjusted and replaced in the field. Tongue and groove models have accurately machined undercut tongue and groove points for precision movement and joint strength. Deep and self-gripping pipe wrench style teeth for maximum bite, and are available in 5 different sizes to best fit your needs. Combination slip joint pliers are available in 6, 8, and 10-inch models, featuring jaws milled with sharp lobster claw design, shear type cutters, and are also available in non-grip versions with deep, strong, dropped forged impressions. Solid joint pliers including lineman, needle nose, and cutter feature teeth on the inside joint for perpendicular grab, accurately machined joints for strength and precision movement, jaws milled with sharp, accurate teeth, and induction hardened cutting edges equally aligned for precise cutting. PROTO XL Series pliers are made in the USA and meet and exceed ASME specifications. Available now. Another reason why at PROTO we are beyond strong and safety obsessed.